Hello and welcome to Wonderzone Science Experiment. This is Professor Ben of Hull. This is Bekah of Hull.
So for this experiment you will need some water,
Yeah.
some oil, we're using vegetable oil but normal oil will do,
Any oil will do.
some food dye, we're using red but you can use whatever, and some effervescent tablets, which you can just get from Mazda.
They also smell really nice. So, what we are going to do is we are going to, very carefully and sensibly, first we're going to tell our parents what we're doing because I don't want to get any of you in trouble.
Nope.
And then, just simply pour the oil in.
To 3/4.
Yes, to 3/4, which is about
A little bit more.
there-ish. Doesn't have to be exact.
Move the quality street, there we go.
Yes, we have a leaning tower of Pisa here. And then,
Put the water in.
just gonna pour some water in. See how all the water is sinking? That these bubbles aren't water. I mean, those bubbles aren't air, they are water. Now.
Colouring.
Oh yeah, colouring.
Now this bit can get messy, so you might want to put like a piece of scrap paper or something below this, just in case it goes everywhere.
To make it look awesome, pop some of that in there.
Might a little bit more actually.
Yeah. There we go. And then just stir it a little bit. There we go.
Then take your tablet.
Pop it in. And then
Hopefully it should.
we should see
There we go.
lava lamp.
You might need to put a couple in.
Now, you know, maybe don't use the entire packet, but 3 will do.
Yes.
3 will do the job.
So while that is doing its thing, I'm going to explain you how this is actually working. So the oil floats on top of the water because water is less dense. Because the oil is less dense or lighter than water, should I say. The food colouring has the same density as the water. So it sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. When you add the tablet, it sinks to the bottom and starts to dissolve. That gas that you can see, the gas which you can see forming at the top and forming these bubbles here, is carbon dioxide. Which makes the bubbles stick to the water droplets. The water-gas combination is less dense than the vegetable oil, making the bubbles rise and come down.
Yep.
The bubbles then break, releasing the gas into the air, and the water sinks back down to the bottom, so you can start it all over again, which is what is happening here.
Yes. So, this has been Wonderzone Science Experiments. Bye!